everyone, Dr. Holly with Queen City Health Center. Just coming to you today, and today we're going to talk about supplements. If you've been a patient in our office, if you are a patient in our office, or if you follow us on any of the social media sites, you know that there are times that we do actually recommend supplements. I hesitate to over-recommend supplements and try to make sure that we're using quality supplements at the same time. So today I'm going to talk about quality of your supplements and why it's super important if you are going to be taking supplements. So for the first reason is you want to actually be getting the nutrients or the herbs from the supplement that you're taking. So quality is so important. If you are sitting here listening to this and watching and you buy your supplements at Costco because you can get the mega jar for really cheap, more than likely you're not actually getting what you're paying for. You might be getting extra food coloring, which is not good and dangerous for your nervous system. You might be getting additives and fillers to it. So there's all sorts of additives that go into supplements just to take up space sometimes, or to increase shelf life, which is also important. The closer something is to being alive, the more nutrient dense it's going to be for your body. So if it's been on the shelf for 2 years and you can still buy it and it hasn't expired, probably not the best supplement out there. So looking at the actual ingredients of a supplement is super important. One additive and filler that just comes to my mind that is basically chalk and not good and tells you that your supplements are not super great is magnesium stearate. Magnesium stearate is like chalk, and it absorbs some of the nutrients that are actually in the supplement, and it's not good for you. So start to read labels on your supplements, see if there's additives, preservatives, food colorings. If those are in any of your supplements, go ahead and throw them away. You're not gaining anything from them. In fact, you're probably creating more inflammation and causing more problems within your body than if you were not taking them at all. The other sure go-to of if your body's actually absorbing nutrients from your supplements is, you guys might laugh when you hear me say this, do you pee funny colors in the morning? So sometimes you might take a supplement like a B vitamin and then all of a sudden you have Mountain Dew looking urine when you go to the bathroom in the morning, and this is an indicator that your body is excreting that supplement and you're not actually absorbing it. So if you're peeing funny colors, you might want to reestablish and re-look at and rethink what supplements you're taking. And then when we support or endorse a supplement in the office, we make sure that it fits a lot of our criteria. It's gold standard, it's got third-party testing, it comes from a whole food source based nutrient, and the soil that it's actually come from, if it's a plant, has been checked for molds, it's checked for heavy metals, and checked for other dangerous chemicals. Because if that is in the soil, follow me, if there's a plant, you say you're taking hemp, and it's in the soil, it's going to be absorbing those heavy metals, it's going to be absorbing those molds and any other toxins that are in that, and that's going to go into the plant, and that's going to be transferred to you. So you want to make sure the soil is super clean. You want to make sure that the plant's not being exposed to heavy preservatives or chemicals or pesticides. And then the process of getting the actual nutrients or the herbs into a bottle, I prefer liquid supplements, so we use Wellness Way because we've done all of the research with their company, and the liquid version I find to be more potent and better for your body. But if it's going to be a capsule, you want to make sure that the process of putting it, dehydrating it, and putting it into that into the capsule is safe, and there's not any extra chemicals that are being added to that. All that to say is your body's super powerful, and we only want to add things into your body that are going to provide more health to you and not deter you from getting healthy. So looking into your brands, I know that we use Wellness Way brands, we use Nordic Natural. Oh, let me talk about fish oil for a second. You want to make sure that you have a really good omega-3 or fish oil brand. We use Nordic Natural in the office because this stuff is rancid if it's a bad brand. So again, I'm not knocking Costco, but I am knocking their supplements because oftentimes they don't have quality supplements. This would be a rancid oil, so if they didn't add any flavoring or coloring to it or those things, and you would just smell it straight from the source, it would smell like a rancid oil, and then you're ingesting it. Another go-to, if you take a fish oil and you burp it up, that is a sign that it is not good for you and that it could possibly be rancid. And then we like grass-fed products, and we use a lot of Ancient Nutrition because we know their products are clean. We've checked into the soil, we've checked into the third-party testing, and their sources of their nutrients and everything they put into their products. There are other brands that we use, but hopefully you can use those tips when you're looking into any supplement brands that you're using, and certainly be in contact with a practitioner and helping them navigate what's going to be the best supplements needed in your case or for you. I don't like to say take this because you have headaches or take this because of this. I like to help people develop homeostasis in their body, which means that there's a balance, and just using supplements to support it so it can get back to homeostasis and it can heal. That being said, I might have created more questions than answers from this video, so certainly comment below, connect with us at queencityhealthcenter.com or on Facebook or any of our social media sources so we can get you more answers and help you be the best you that you can be.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. If you want to connect with us and learn more, we're constantly shooting information or shooting videos. We actually have a blog as well, and we have a website where you can learn so much more. If you want help with your health, you can actually connect with us, come into our clinic, or jump on a phone call with us and see if we can help you. To do that, go to the links below in the information area and click those areas, and then you can move forward and see how we can actually address and help you with your health issues as well.